Now that we've created our product on Shopify, let's create a collection to house that product in. To do that, go over to the left-hand side and click on Collections. To create a new collection, go to the top right-hand side and click on Create Collection. Let's create a title for our collection. I'll call this Golden Retriever Tees. And you can add a description, but it's not necessary. For our collection type, we'll want to make sure that we're on manual. That way we have full control over what products are being added into our collections. I'll scroll down slightly here and make sure I add in my Golden Retriever t-shirt. To do that, I'll click on Search Products. I'll type in tee, and I'll find my Golden Hour tee here. I'll click on this to select it, and then click on Add. Additionally, you can add an image to your collection. You can do this by clicking on Add Image, and I'll select the lifestyle mockup image from earlier. Then I'll click on Done. When you feature this collection on your home page, this is the image that will show up. Once you're done configuring your collection, click on Save to finalize. We have now created a collection to house our products within.